How to fix Telegram login blocked for security. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your login has been blocked for security reasons. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If Telegram says that your login is blocked for security, now what could be the reasons that you could be facing this issue where you're not being able to log in? Now, first is you must actually understand and identify the cause why this happened. It could be that you might have likely entered your password or tried to log in too many times and it failed, or Telegram may detect a suspicious activity from your account leading to a temporary block for security reasons. So you can try to wait for the cooldown period, because normally within 24 to 48 hours before you try to log in again, that will automatically solve. Check your internet connection and any other issue, and make sure to verify your phone number. You can use the call me option or SMS option as well. If none of these are helping, then I would recommend you download the alternate version of Telegram, which is Telegram X in this case, which might help you solve the problem. It's also the official app from Telegram itself, which you can try to use. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.